if you want to stay and be a profitable trader, there are 4 simple things that you need to stay clear of in the trading industry. Trust me, these 4 simple things are the things that can easily destroy any trading career at all. So hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 4 of the most cruel, 4 of the most secret things that most traders don't know about. And trust me, these 4 things are the things that have been killing so many trading careers behind. Personally, me myself, years back when I started, I wasn't aware of these things and I knew how it affected me. But over the years, I've come across so many trading books, like the likes of Naked Forex, The Disciplined Trader, so many psychological books. I learned to realize that there are 4 simple things that most traders actually don't talk about. And trust me, these 4 things are way more important than even getting a good strategy, because if you have a good strategy and you still can stay clear of these 4 things I'm going to share with you in this video, then trust me, you are likely still going to lose out on any trading account, and this will kill your trading career fast. So to make sure that you have a profitable trading career and a successful one as that, I advise you watch this video to the very end and make sure you don't skip any part at all. So hello guys, the first thing here to keep a healthy and successful and more profitable trading career is simply learning to avoid greed. So greed is one of the most easiest way to destroy any trading career at all. Trust me, greed is very dangerous when it comes to trading, because when you are greedy as a trader, you are going to violate all the laws of risk management, which says that you need to risk more, you need to risk less to make sure that it keeps your account up and running no matter how many trades you lost. So here's how greed actually kills your trading career. When you are trading with greed with the hope that you want to make more money, then you are likely to increase your risk per trade, meaning you can risk up to, personally, when I started trading at first with a very tiny account, but I was risking up to 50% of my account for a single trade. Just imagine. This is not because I'm using higher stop loss, but because I was using tight stop loss but very high lot size, just because I want to make more profit from little move. And the backside is that when trade goes against me, just 2 trades goes against my prediction, then boom, I'm out of the market. So the continual losses I made in the market at first made me really depressed, and I wanted to give up on my forex trading career. And if you're out there and you're a trader who wants to stay profitable and not in a haste to get out of the industry very fast, one of the best advice I'll give to you is that be patient, don't be greedy, trade the market slow and steady, and risk less for a single trade. Because when you take too many when it risks too much for a trade, simply means you are trading out of greed, and this will get you out of the market very faster. Because the more you lose, the more you become depressed, and once you become depressed, trust me, you are likely to give up on your trading career and leave out all the good things that you once thought about of becoming from trading. So that's simply the first thing I have for you. Simply avoid greed if you want to be a successful trader. So hello guys, the second thing to stay clear of if you want to be a profitable trader is simply fear. Fear is the most dangerous thing after greed. Trust me. One thing fear does is that when you see trading opportunity, assuming you do your analytics, everything, and then you want to place the trade, and you are someone who have fear in you, the first thing that comes into your mind is that don't take that trade. It won't be a winner. And trust me, most of the traders, this fear actually lets you know that it won't be a winner, are the ones that end up being winners. And I believe you've also experienced this thing before. You make your analytics, you want to place order, but then you later leave that market, go to a different market with low probability, you make your analytics, you realize that the analytics you make on this other market doesn't really fall in line with your trading rules also, but then you are going to place this trade because you are being guided by fear. And this will always tell people that if you are trading with fear, you are going to lose out on 80% of the trades you take. Trust me. As much as this might really sound brutal, but that is the truth. Because the fear will always lead you to take bad opportunities rather than the clear opportunities. So the best way to avoid fear if you are a trader is simply, when you are making your analytics and you are done with your analytics, now take a look at your trading rules. So for example, I have my trading rules on this exercise book that's always with me whenever I'm trading. You can see here are my trading rules. They are always with me when I'm trading. So when I'm trading, I always look into it, confirm it to my positions, and if I see that everything goes in line, I take it immediately. So if you find yourself always missing out on good opportunities and then taking out the bad opportunities, one thing I advise you to do is that leave that your real account right now, switch into a demo account, and then start trading the demo account like your real account. In this one, you are not going there to build a strategy, but you are simply going there to build your confidence. Because even with the right strategy, with the wrong mentality, you are still going to lose out on trade. So once you are trading that demo account, focus on your trading rules. Don't think about anything your mind is telling you. As long as those rules have been winning you trade on a steady basis, now correspond those rules to your analytics. If they are in line, place the trade. If they are not in line, don't place the trade. If you keep doing this thing over again for 2 to 3 months in a row, trust me, your confidence will eventually come up, and then you avoid that fear emotion. So that's simply it about the second tip here. Simply, if you want to stay a profitable trader, stay clear of fear. Now let's move to the third one, on our list. So the third one on my list is simply forcing trading opportunities. So like, trust me, when you are forcing trading opportunities, let me just say, it's like a combination of both fear and greed. That's what leads to forcing trading opportunities. As a trader, you are not meant to trade every day. Yeah, what I mean by you're not meant to trade every day, simply because there are days whereby your strategy might not give you any clear entry in the market. So what you do in this day is simply stay clear of the market instead of forcing trade. Because if you keep forcing trade, you are always going to get into the wrong trade. That's why that is the importance of having your trading rules and principles whenever you are trading. So if you are trading, here's one thing I advise you to do. Once you make your analytics and you see that there's no clear entry for you, don't force it. Let it go. Like personally for me, when I'm trading, I trade breakouts and then trend. So for example, when I'm trading breakout, what I actually look out for is that I wait for the market to break out of either the support or resistance area. So if it should break out of this area, then I patiently wait for a confirmation before I enter my trade. This one, you see how long it takes. First of all, I watch the market in a ranging system, and then once it broke out of that ranging area, now I wait for a confirmation entry before I place my trade. And in most cases, in case I don't get it, I just leave it. Because one thing that I've realized is that most of the time, so I try to force trade out of those sort of opportunity, whereby maybe I'll place limit orders immediately at the breakout area, and then when the market break out into that area, then it takes a quick reversal back into the bounce again. So what I simply do is I wait patiently for my entries, because if I try to force it, I'm likely to lose out on more trade than profit, because most time we have fake breakout, and if you are using a limit order to trade breakout, it might break out to that level that you set your limit order, and immediately it hits that area, then it reverses down against your trade again. So one thing I advise you to do is that make sure you don't force trade. Don't enter trade randomly. Always wait for trade to get into your confirmation zone before you place a trade. For example, when I'm trading trend, there are two things I look at. For the first one is simply I draw my swing highs and swing lows, and I wait for the market to come and retest again, which is creating a correction zone. So once the market has created this correction zone, that's when I decide if I should place my trade or not, depending on how far the trend has been, because I hate trading trend that has created so many highs and lows, because most of the times after so many period of movement, trend tends to reverse. So I always focus on this trading rule. So like most of the cases, I can trade at times. There are weeks where I trade only 2 to 3 times in the whole of the week. This is because those are the days where I spot opportunities, and these are those spot opportunities, I let it go. So one thing I advise you to do if you want to stay a profitable trader and grow a small account is simply avoid forcing trading opportunities. Once there's no good opportunity, let it go. So hello guys, the final point here is simply trading without rules. So every trader out there, every successful trader out there actually have rules that governing whatever thing they do in the market. So if you are a trader and you really want to stay profitable and be among that 1% successful traders that is recorded in the industry year in, year after, then one of the things you can do for yourself is simply having a clear trading rules. So a clear trading rule should simply give you conditions that will determine when to enter market, when to get out of the market. This means that your rules governing what to determine when you place an order, what to determine where you put your stop loss, what to determine where you set your take profit. And then your trading rule should also consist of how many trades are you going to take every day. Like every day you are trading, how many trades are you going to take? How much are you willing to risk per trade? At what time will you start trading? So all of this need to be in your trading rules, so that whenever you are trading, you have to obey all of these things. And in case you don't have any of this, trust me, you are likely not to be among the successful traders. I'm not condemning you, but trust me, it's difficult to be successful when you don't have rules and regulations governing whatever thing you are doing. So if you are a trader out there and really want to stay profitable, one thing I advise you to do is I have clear trading rules. So in case you don't know how to set trading rules, then you can let me know that in the comment section, and I'll create a video sharing my personal trading rules with you, how I plan my trading days, the rules I follow whenever I'm trading, and every single thing you need to know about my trading system at all. You can let me know down in the comment section. And also don't forget, you can join my Telegram channel down in the description. The link is there. Use only that link. Please don't answer of any link in the comment section. Use only that link that is in this video description. So that already said, I hope you find this video helpful. Taking a quick recap of everything we've already said. The first one is simply stay clear of greed. Secondly, get rid of fears. Thirdly, don't force any trade. And finally, make sure you have clear trading rules that you follow whenever you are trading. So that already said, have a nice day. Bye.